Good morning, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. Today we're going to do just regrading, fixing up the driveway here. Our gravel drive from the big storm that came through that washed this rut that you saw in the earlier video, where it broke over the break over there, the dam, and then flowed into this area here and washed it out. Luckily, most of the material is right around here. Might be hard to see from the camera that there's a mound of material right here where it washed down. So we're gonna grade it up and go ahead and grade the rest of the driveway just to clean it up. We normally do it a few times a year anyways, just to keep it graded. But we are using the ABI gravel grader. It can be pulled with either a lawn tractor or obviously any UTV or ATV vehicle. It's worked out really well for us, and you can watch reviews on it on several other channels, so I'm not going to go through it here, but it's done a good job for us here. It's got crown control, and like I said, it does a very good job of keeping our driveway, even ruts like that, under control. It has the automated electronic motor system where you can raise it up and down with the the remote that comes with it, this remote, so you can raise it up and down as you're grading, so you don't have to manually adjust the height. So that's one of the main reasons why I got it. I would have went with the Rascal version, which is a UTV ATV only, but at the time we didn't have this side by side, so we had to pulled it with our lawn tractor or lawnmower. Lawnmower is not able to pull as much material, obviously, so that's why, another main reason why we got the UTV ATV side by side here. So we'll go ahead and get started, and hopefully this action camera here, of course it's not a GoPro, but it'll do the job. Hopefully it will catch it in action, and as it's grading, hopefully you'll see it filling up the rut. All right, we'll be back. See, we're just raising it up and down here. I'm gonna get it kind of close. And once I get up close to where that mound of material is, I'm gonna drop it down further. as you can see, it's already filled in the rut right there. So right now we're going to keep grading it. I'm not sure how much memory I have left on this car, so we'll keep grading it, and then we'll also adjust the crown control so that we'll get more of a hump in our driveway. So the crown control will be adjusted from one side to the other. This side, these springs, these levers here, we'll push it down on one side versus the other. So we'll do that as well and get that crown in there into the driveway once we get this filled in some more. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, we've almost completed the grading, and it's the rut's completely filled in now with the crush and run gravel. So we'll come back later. I've got other things to do today. I just want to get most of this done, get it filled back in to make it bearable to drive over, and then I'll come back in with a crown control. That's going to take a little bit more work, so this is doable for now. Let's use normal rut. So that gravel grader works really well for even that. Had to have been at least a 4 to 6 inch deep rut that was cut by that drainage issue there. All right, well, signing out for Sunshine and Country for now. And when we get done with the crown control, I may come back, but it shouldn't look a whole lot different than this now. But we went through the entire driveway as well, just lightly graded it because there were some high spots over there. Not bad, no ruts though, just some high spots. Even it all back out. All right, have a good day.